Hello and welcome. My name is Duncan and today I'm introducing Wimbrel's Workshop and Job Card module. Wimbrel is a cloud-based software solution and it's fully customizable. Wimbrel has a number of plant management modules, including quotations and fleet register, invoicing and equipment diary, services, procurement and creditors, diesel and other stores, wages, financial reporting. Within Wimbrel can also create customized modules when required. Today we will be introducing the workshop diary and SMS messaging technology, followed by the customized job card module and job card documents. From Wimbrel's start page, we'll be opening the reports. Wimbrel's reports are simple to use. You simply have to navigate to the correct tab and select your required report. Today we'll be selecting the job tab and navigating to the workshop diary. The reports have a number of automated filters which can be selected to refine the report generated. And today we're going to be selecting and changing January to December on the drop-down list, modifying the date, and generating the report. All the reports are customized depending on the requirements, but I'll go through this report as an example. From the left to right, the first column is the job card date, followed from the job card number, then the reported time, that is when the job card has been created or when the fault was given, the plant, truck or crane number, the breakdown description, the category of the breakdown or job card, the mechanic's name, the mobile number of the mechanic, and the SMS status. Wimbrel has a number of job card types, including breakdown, planned maintenance, GT replacement, service, and warranty service. All the categories on the job card can be customized and additional categories added if required. Some job cards are created from the wizard, which I'll show you now. However, others can be created automatically, like the service and GT job cards, which can be created from procurement. The report is color-coded. The light yellow, I'm just going to go down a few here. The light yellow is for completed job cards. The darker yellow or tan is for open job cards, those job cards that have been opened but not yet closed. The gray is for job cards that have been created but has not yet had a mechanic allocated to, and the turquoise is for job cards that have been sent to the mechanic but that have not yet been returned. The blue on the job card type service highlights that the service job card has not yet been finalized. The remaining columns to the right here will be discussed together with the job card wizard, which I'd like to go through in a minute. But first, I would like to go through some additional features. Wimbrel allows the report to be extended. At the top here, we push the plus button, which enables the workshop manager to create notes against each job card when required. So for example, if we go down here, we can add in hydraulic leak, fixed. The blue columns are editable and you can update the notes by simply writing directly into the cells. Using Wimbrel reports, you can also drill down into more detail. So for example, if I click the plant number or crane number or truck number on the left-hand side here, it'll automatically open up and display the items purchased against the job card, including the item code, quantity, unit, and cost. These detailed drill downs are completely customizable and any details can be linked. If we double click, we'll be taken through to the job card module itself and the report be minimized, but more of the module later. I'm just going to close this drop down up. So if we to the job card module itself, as I said, which we'll have a look at a bit later on. But I just want to let's close this job card up and move on to the wizard. Wimbrel's reports differ from most other reporting engines in that they are very interactive. We will now look at how to send an SMS job card, how to complete the job card, and return the job card to Wimbrel. Here's the SMS button here, and here's the wizard. At the top of the screen, there's an SMS button, as I showed you. And this takes us through to the workshop diary wizard. And from here, we can create a new job card from the report. The list can be filtered. So I'll start with the plant number, and we can type in the number that we're looking for, followed by, this is automatically generated here. I'm going to change this to the 30th of the 12th, 2020. Breakdown time, I'm going to have at 12 o'clock. Breakdown description can be hydraulic leak. The mechanic's name, I'm going to select myself. The customer's name is here when you wish to invoice or cost an item back to the customer. A good example, this would be GT. And for the job card type, I'm going to select breakdown. On this customized report, we have two job card types, a normal job card and a specific job card for tires. Obviously, this again could be customized. You can have as many different job cards as you wish. Once we create a job card, which I'm going to do now, it automatically creates a job card, which you'll see below, and sends an SMS to the mechanic. On the report, a new line is opened up in turquoise, indicating that the system is waiting for a job card to be completed by the mechanic. So if we have a look here at the, I'm just going to go across to the phone now. You'll see at the bottom here, this is the job card that we've just sent to the mechanic, which just happens to be me. From here, we can see this mechanic, the way that this job card's been set up. Firstly, the job card number, the date that we put in, the issue, the hydraulic leak, the type of breakdown, which is a type of job card, which is a breakdown, and the fleet number here. Now from this, here, if we wish to send the job card back, we simply copy the text, paste it below, and now we can fill the job card out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say the start time at 7 o'clock, end time 12 o'clock, opening kilometers 12,000, closing kilometers 13,000. The work done, I'm just going to say fixed hydraulic leak. Help. The help there, the breakdown start to end, that's the time when the breakdown started to when it finished. I'm just going to leave that blank. The help is if I had an assistant. External job card, the kilometers, and the hours, all the hours of the machine. Obviously, the kilometers can also be miles if required. Let's just put in here 12,000. Close the job card, yes. And I'm now going to send this job card back to Wimbrel. And let's just wait a few seconds for that to come through. On Wimbrel, if we refresh the report, we can see the data coming back from the SMS I've just sent. It's that easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hide this and then refresh this report and go down to the item that we had at the bottom, and it's changed to light blue. So that means that the message now, the job card has been received back by Wimbrel. As the job cards are completed and linked to the report, they are automatically costed, depending on what is required. On the specific report, there's a cost. There's a cost for travel. So for here, you can see your opening and closing hours on your kilometers. your total kilometers here, working out your cost on the right-hand side here. On the left here is the time that the mechanic worked. So from here, you can see the total work cost. So that's the cost for the mechanic. The consumable cost, you can add a consumable cost in there. The kilometers cost on here, that's your travel cost, giving your total workshop cost here. These costs are rolled up into the financial reports and cost versus revenue per plant item. What I'd like to do now is go through briefly the job module itself. So we clicked through earlier, so we minimize that. This is the information, this is the module, this is the sheet that's been built up from the diary itself automatically. This job card example is a service job card and has been created directly from procurement. Using Wimble, you can also create job cards either from the job card diary as demonstrated, or from procurement, or from the stock module. Items can also be added to the job card from stores at any time using the job card module. I've demonstrated how to use SMS technology to capture the details via mobile phone. However, you can also capture the information manually using the job card module itself. By clicking on here, you can add the information here and here manually, or the information that comes back from the mobile phone, so that you can select it. Sometimes you may have external job cards which are problematic to send messages, in which case you can just do it manually. Finally, what I would like to show you is an example of the document itself. So if we push the job card button here, that will create a document that is customized to the exact requirements. And from here, you can see that the job card populates into Microsoft Excel. It can also populate into a PDF as well, whatever is preferred. To modify the job card to your needs is also very easy, as you can just take the document itself and modify it with all the formatting included. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. Please visit our other Wimble plant management videos, including Wimble service, procurement and creditors, diesel and stores, invoicing and diary, quotes and fleet register, financial reporting and staff time and attendance.